In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer in Tomb Raider Definitive Edition to unlock cheats like infinite health, ammo, and resources. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and select the zip and download this mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder, do the same steps again. Now open the .exe application, more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt Tab key and open the trainer. To activate this trainer, press the home key in your keyboard. And now you can either select these options to enable or press in numlock key to turn on the numlock and press the numpad 3 key to turn on the cheats. Right now, for testing this, I enabled this infinite ammo, and you can enable whatever options you like. Play super jump. I do this as well. Once you enable the things you want to use to test in game, I'm gonna shoot for you guys. Infinite ammos and arrows and guns. And I just stand on the high jump. As you can see how far it jumps like a hack. Hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.